In this video I will show you how can you find your save post on Facebook. You can see here I have saved a lot of things on my save list, but sometime we save a lot of things but we couldn't find those in our save list because we don't know how to find the save list. So if you want to find your save list, then in this video I will show you the process how can you find your save list. So for finding your save list, you have to simply come here on your Facebook app. After come here on Facebook app, you have to simply click here three line. You can see here three line. After clicking here three line, you have to click here. You can see here save option. You have to simply click here save option. After clicking here save, you will can find your all save post. You can see here all the save post. Which post I have saved in my save option. So save playlist or save option. So this is today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.